Stock market is gambling. Only insiders can make money. Penny stocks can make you rich overnight. We have heard all these statements, but how many of them are actually true and how many of them are just myth? Today we are busting some of the biggest stock market myth that every beginners believe. Let's get started. You probably heard someone say, stock market to gambling hai, but that's not the truth. Gambling is based on pure luck, while stock market is based on business performance, data and long-term growth. If you invest in a company, you are actually buying a small ownership of that business. For example, if a company grows its profit, expands its operation, and increases its revenue, its stock prices usually grows over time. Of course, short-term trading can feel risky, but long-term trading is strategy, not gambling. So the verdict, it's a myth. Penny stocks may look attractive. A stock trading of rupees 5 or 10 makes people think if it goes to rupees 100, they will be rich. But that's not the reality. Penny stocks are cheaper in price because of the company's poor management, weak fundamentals, low profitability, and a very low liquidity. Yes, few penny stocks may explode, but most of them either stay stagnant or crash. A smart investor always look after a strong company, not just cheap prices. Because remember, a 2000 rupees strong company can be cheaper than 5 rupees weak company. So the verdict, it is a myth. This one is interesting. Yes, traders do make money, but not all of them. Because trading requires a deep market knowledge, strict risk management, emotional discipline, and years of experience. New traders enter trading thinking it's a quick money, and that is where most losses happen. Professional traders take trading as a serious skill and profession. So the truth, yes, traders do make money, but it is not guaranteed or easy. Some people think SIP is very slow to build wealth, but the real power of SIP is compounding. Small investment made consistently over years can grow significantly. For example, investing over 10 to 20 years can create serious wealth. It is not an overnight success, but one of the most reliable way to create wealth. So the verdict, it is true, but with time and consistency. The stock market is full of myth, shortcuts and misinformation, but the real formula is knowledge, discipline and patience. If you want to know more about investment, do subscribe our channel and let us know in the comment which market myth you have heard the most.
Investments in the securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.